Hello Jello, how are you doing? Welcome to my new video. I am Laura and today I'd like to show you how to make this butterfly ring. I reckon this is very easy to make and you can customize it. For example, you can use nail polish to make colorful wings. Just an idea. All you need to make it are two kinds of wire. That's all. I needed 30 centimeters of wire for my finger of 6 centimeters, so be careful, you may need more or less. Bend the wire in half and join both sides as much as you can. This is a delicate step, so be gentle. Now measure the wire with your finger measurement. For me, it's 6 centimeters. And right there, bend the wire like this. And do the same in both sides. Join the wire as much as you can again. Remember, be gentle. This is how it should look, like an M shape, right? Measure the wire again looking for the half. For me, it's 3 centimeters. Now bend the wire once more in a 90 degrees angle, just like this. Now it looks like a heartbeat. Now use a pen or brush, whatever you have, to make a loop. Do the same in the other side. Bend the wire a little bit more to cross it like this. You will see that the next step is much easier now. Use your round nose pliers to make a small spiral. Do it little by little, no pressure. And the next wing is done. Try to make the same spiral on the other side. And here it is, our tiny butterfly. Now you have to wrap a thinner wire around all these wires to hold them together. I am so sorry I didn't record it because my camera's battery died and I didn't realize until I finished, but it's just wrapping. Sorry about that. Here you can see how it should look. Just wrapping, nothing complicated. Cut any excessive wire you have and all done. Use any cylindrical object to bend the wire as a ring. Remember, this object should measure the same as your finger. Now I'm gonna give you two options. You can finish here and enjoy the ring, or you can give these wings like more personality, just making a small wave on the top side of the butterfly wings. And this is it. What do you think of mine? Please leave a comment below because I love to know what you think about. I think I'm gonna try the option with the nail polish, so follow me on Instagram and I'll show you how it looks. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very, very happy. Bye!